Hello and welcome, friends. I am your teacher Ankit in the Digital Marketing Season 2. Today, we are going ahead in the digital marketing series. So, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of that video. Let's get started. Welcome back, friends. As you all know, our next topic is understanding customer behavior, as you seen in the thumbnails and the title of that video in the YouTube channel Aanav Creations. So, customers are the key to success, which is why understanding and nurturing them is so important. In this lesson, we will look at the importance of customer touchpoints, how to use them to map the journey customers take online, as well as how improving the customer experience can help you achieve your goals. So, how can you make a customer experience better? This is the main issue with all the digital marketers. Let's start by explaining customer touchpoints and why they are important for you. A touchpoint is any stage when a customer or potential customer comes into a contact with a business. Touchpoints are used a lot in offline business, particularly in retail. They can be receipts, bags, signage, customer service counter, which is also called as CSC, and many other points along the way in your long career. Online, touchpoints can be a valuable way for businesses to build brand loyalty and trust. When a customer encounters a touchpoint multiple times, such as online ads, this provides consistent value and creates ongoing positive associations with a brand. While people don't all look and think the same, the way they buy things and the touchpoints they interact with, they have similarities. To understand online user behavior, you need to establish what those touchpoints are for you and your future experience, and where they take place. To identify them, try mapping the journey a customer takes. Once you know the steps they take to get to you, you can plan how to impress them at every stage. Imagine a marathon. Once you know the route, you can plan its strategic points to rest, drink, or top up your energy levels. The purchase journey is the same. Knowing the routes gives you a understanding of exactly how you need to strategize your online approach in the digital marketing. Because there are so many potential interaction points, figuring out the journey may seem overwhelming at first. To make it easier, try putting yourself in the customer's shoe. Ask yourself, where do I go when I need answers? Where do I normally spot new brands or businesses? What helps me make a purchase decision? And do I see a brand again after I have made a purchase again and again and again? Another option is to ask customers directly about the route they took to find you. A simple face-to-face or online survey can break down this journey step by step, making it clearer and easier to visualize. Once you understand the route a customer takes, it's all about making sure the relevant touchpoints chosen are effective in drawing people in. If you have a website, does it tell a potential customer what they want to know whilst keeping existing customers interested for you? The more value a site has to someone, the more likely it is they will want to return to it. Social media is another great tool to develop touchpoints and can help give a business character and a personal feel. Remember, your customers are real people, so connect with them in a way that's relatable and engaging. Once your touchpoints are set up, remember to regularly review how they are performing for you in the digital marketing. For example, if your product or service is suddenly become popular with a new audience like teens, you may need to make adjustments to your touchpoints so that they resonate directly with that age group. To wrap up, here are some quick reminders to help you work on your touchpoints in the digital marketing. Think about the journey you take as a customer when you buy something online and apply this information to your business scenario. If you can talk to customers to get real world info on the touch points they encounter, analyze touch point performance and optimize your message if required so that the customer's need always comes first for you. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of that video. If any queries, just submit in a comment section. Thank you very much. Have a good day.